News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Please share, like, and subscribe. Have a look on breaking news.
Union Home Minister Sri Amit Sasinghal's the Ministry of Coal Window Clearance Portal launched next phase of commercial coal mining auction to be launched in January 2021. Sri Prahlad Joshi, the agreement signed by the Ministry of Coal with the winners of India's first commercial coal mining auction. Saktodia, the Ministry of Coal, on Monday launched a single window clearance portal to help in getting all the clearances and approvals needed to start coal mines in India. The portal was launched by Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah in an event organized in New Delhi to enter into agreements with the winners of India's first commercial coal mining auction in the presence of Union Minister of Coal and Mines, Prahlad Joshi. In the program, Mr. Joshi announced the launch of the next phase of auction of mines for commercial coal mining in January 2021. He said that we have made extensive reforms in the coal sector and now the coal sector will be the carrier of major changes in the nation. Sri Joshi said that under the courageous and decisive leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, there has been a massive transformation of the coal sector. The single window clearance portal strengthens the government's minimum government and maximum governance approach. This portal will prove to be a milestone in promoting ease of doing business in the coal sector. To start coal mines in the country, 19 major approvals or clearances are yet to be taken. These includes Manjuriya in areas such as mining plan and mine closure plan, mining lease, environment and forest, wildlife, security, displacement of project affected families, employee welfare. All these Manchuria are given by the central or state governments. In the absence of any combined platform to obtain all these clearances, the mining project proponents have to make separate application to various administrative ministries and government departments, delaying the commencement of coal production from coal mines. But now this single window clearance portal will help in completing this process soon. The mining module of this portal was launched on Monday, while the modules associated with other approvals will be launched in the phased manner. In the program, the Ministry of Coal also entered into agreements with a total of 19 winners, including the successful winner of India's first commercial coal mining auction, Vedanta Limited, Adani Enterprises Limited, Jindal Power Limited, Hindalco Industries Limited. The success of the auction will reduce India's coal imports by about 20%, paving the way for a self-reliant India. SBI Capital Markets Limited, which is the sole transaction advisor of the Ministry of Coal, has helped develop and conduct this auction process. Sri Joshi appealed to all the states to extend their cooperation in starting all these mines at the earliest so that India can become self-sufficient in the coal sector by making proper use of its huge coal reserves. Significantly for the commercial coal mining, 19 mines successfully sailed with give revenue of Rs 6,656 crore to the states. During the auction process, a maximum competition of 66.75% and average premium of 27% was achieved due to stiff competition among the applicants. These mines are spread over 5 states: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and Maharashtra, and together will have an annual maximum coal production of 51 million tons. Sri Joshi said that on the basis of experience of various states endowed with mineral wealth and feedback received from various beneficiaries, the government also in mining sector will bring major structural reforms. These reforms will create large number of employment opportunities and promote self-sufficiency in the country by increasing mineral production. I am confident that these reforms in the mining sector will help India to produce minerals to its true potential. Under these reforms, a number of steps will be taken to promote the industry's ease of doing business in the mining sector. Monday morning of the Vidhan Chandra Institution for Girls School in Durgapur, Vidhan Chandra Ispat Nagri, in front, the girls blocked the road to protest against the custody of 3 parents who were protesting against the admission fees. Parents have been protesting against the increase of readmission fees by this school for the past several days. In the same sequence, on Monday morning, they came to protest in front of the school. Parents say the school management is charging admission fees by ignoring the High Court order. Parents have been agitating for several days demanding to forgive it. The police stopped the parents who came to protest against the school management on Monday morning. The parents allege that the police forcibly want to stop their agitation. The parents' debate with the B-Zone Torn police took place here. It is alleged that due to this, 3 parents were forcibly taken away by the police. After this, the students blocked the path.
Is 100 years old. They have some unique products. They have the variety of khakra, which you don't find in Asansol. They have delicious product. The address of opposite SBI Bank, Simran Roy Road, Asansol. The pin code is 713301. And you have also call on the number 0341 2305017. And another mobile number is 9547356154. And they have the unique tasty products: meethi khakra, masala khakra, sadda khakra, Manchurian khakra, cheese khakra, Maggi khakra, chaat masala khakra, mithia khakra, banana chips.
Purulia, the BJP has a philosophical foundation. Those who were in TMC yesterday, today he is in BJP, then in BJP from TMC. The BJP and Trinamool have made a door-to-door journey. This is not good for the political culture of Bengal. After the meeting of the left front in Purulia, the president of the front, Viman Basu, said these things about the criticism of BJP and Trinamool. He further said that the research routine is the work of ED. Take appropriate arrangements for the people associated with them. Sonpur Bazari Vivekananda Colony execution of many cases in the Officers Club by sitting pension court. Andal. Pension court was set up in Vivekananda Colony of Sonpur Bazari area of ECL. Pension of 32 former coal workers studying under 3 CMPF Reason 1, Reason 2 and Reason 3 in this pension court. The case was executed. PF Commissioner U. Panda of Reason 1 and Reason 2, SD Patak of Reason 2 were present in this pension court. On this occasion, personal managers Punyadeep Bhattacharya and Abir Mukherjee said that there were a total of 32 cases including Reasons 1, 3 and 2. But Reason 1 and 3, 55 were pending, in which 21 cases were executed by Commissioner U. Panda. Reason 2 in 17 cases came before PF Commissioner SD Patak, in which 2 cases were executed: Pandaveshwar area, Bankola, Jhanjra, Kenda, Sonpur Bazari under Reason 1, whereas Kajoda area, Kunustoria area in Reason 2. The pending case of Sadgram area was executed, whereas in Reason 3 the case of Sripur area, Sodhpur area, Kalla, Salanpur, Mugma and ECL HQ was executed. General Pension Personnel PK Srivastav, Chief General Manager PIR Rajesh Trivedi, PS to DP Sonpur Bazari Area Personnel Manager Abir Mukherjee, Kenda areas NK Singh and Area Manager Gun were also presented in this pension court. The Chamber of Commerce reacted by a silent procession against the opening of a bargain in Ukhra. Andal, the uprooted Chamber of Commerce expressed a silent procession by protesting against the mall being made in Ukhra by the corporate world. The silent procession started from the uprooted chamber building courtyard revolving the uprooted market and reached the chamber building via Vajpayee Mode and organized the meeting. On this occasion, mainly the Federation of South Bengal Chamber of Commerce Executive Chairman R.P. Khaitan, Ukhra Chamber of Commerce President Manoj Shraf, Senior Vice President Hari Kajeriwala, Vice President Sitaram Barnwal, Triloki Sharma, Subhash Chakrabarti, Manoj Das, Sohail Ahmed Siddiqui and other members, Ghana and all the uprooted businessmen voluntarily closed their shops in this silent procession. In this regard, President of the Uprooted Chamber of Commerce Manoj Shraf said that if such a number of shops in the Panchayat area are opened by people of the corporate world, it will hurt unemployment for small business in and around Ukhra and hence unemployment will increase.
जब वो मैं अपनी अनुभव की बात बताता हूँ, जब हमारे पास आते हैं, बलदेव तुम्हारा कितना पैसा लिया हुआ है, अब ओकरे में ना लिखल हुई, हमसे का पूछत हुआ, तोहर जे खाता बा खतवा देख ला, ओमे जो लिखल बा वही पैसा ले हम। तो मैं बनारस में 10 साल रहा हूँ, बनारस में मेरा थोड़ा सा मेरे कारखाने के भी लोग बनारस जिले की ज़्यादा है, तो हम बताते हैं उसको जानबूझ करके कि तोहर पैसा 7,200 रुपया बा, नहीं मालिक 6,800 ले बा। देखिए
Asansol Tabassum took over on Monday after being appointed as a member of Asansol Municipal Administrator Board. When Tabassum was made a member, activists and supporters of various reasons honored him. Tabassum has been given the entry in place of Jatinder Tiwari after recognizing the Board of Administrators in Asansol Municipal Corporation, for which there is a wave of happiness among the supporters of Tabassum in Kulti zone. Significantly, in the previous board, Tabassum was the deputy mayor, but when the board was first formed till the address, he was not given a place in it. After joining the Thinigram headquarters, he was joined by the workers of Dhemo main zone under the leadership of former borough chairman Sanjay Nonia was honored. Mahesh Bharti, Chandan Mandal, etc. were present during this time. Amarnath Chatterjee took charge of Asansol Municipal Corporation on 11th January. Before this, hundreds of people took out procession from Asansol bus stand. People congratulated him, rejoicing with crackers outside of the office.
आज ये चेयरमैन को जो मुबारकबाद दिया गया और सीट उनको जो सौंपा गया आज, तो उस सिलसिले में माइनॉरिटी को आप क्या पैगाम देना चाहते हैं?
देखिए, आज अमरनाथ चटर्जी
Barabani block. 2 new roads were inaugurated in Dumhani village under Dumhani Gram Panchayat today. Barabani MLA Vidhan Upadhyay was also present. Malabani Body, President of Barabani Panchayat Samiti, was also present. Asit Singh, Member West Burdwan District Council, was also present.
ভালো করে বানাবে, একবারে বাথরুম হবে। তুমি হেল্প করে নেও কেন? একটু 5-6 হাজার টাকা লাগবে কোন তো করে নিছি। এই কাজ জলটা করছি করে নেবে, পয়সা লাগবে। ওইখানেই করে দিও, সামনেই করে দিও, মন্দিরটা
চল ওইখানটা ঢুকে পড়ো তো ডাইন সাইডে পুলিশ না পড়ো
আমাদের ভোটটা শব্দ দিবি 1300-1400 যা আছে।
Jamuria Trinamool Congress protest in Meetapur area of Jamuria demanding employment of local unemployed youth. Trinamool activists demonstrated with party flags at the factory gates. A large number of women were also present at the event. Trinamool Block President Sadan Roy said local unemployed youths staged a protest at the factory gate today demanding jobs. The factory authorities are working with outsiders. Local youth should be employed. The owner did not listen to the party despite repeated requests. I was forced to protest today. Asansol at the evening Mahavir Sthan temple on GT Road Sunday evening Atma Prakash Ji Maharaj arrived to perform Devadarshan. First he worshipped with Devadarshan. On the occasion he preached and recited hymns to the devotees. On the occasion newly appointed administrator of the municipal corporation Amarnath Chatterjee took his blessing by touching his feet. Guruji gave him a special blessing. He asked Amarnath Chatterjee to follow his duty with integrity and dedication and honesty. On this occasion devotees took Guruji's blessings. On this occasion Jagdish Prakash Kedia, Arun Sharma, Govind Sharma, Vivek Prakash Shah, Mukesh Jaiswal, Prakash Agarwal, Puneet Santoria, Nirmal Bajaj, Rajkumar Sharma, Niranjan Pandit, Munni Sharma, Baban Das, Sitaram Barnwal, Anil Sharma, Abhishek Verma, Manish Bhagat, Kiran Gupta and women committee members were present. Durgapur, Bardhaman Forest Department officials conducted raids on the basis of secret information and arrested 3 people including a vehicle in a bird trafficking case from Mochipada Toll Plaza present before the court. After hearing the case, the court rejected the bail of the accused and sent them to jail. The accused include 3 people including driver Papan Sarkar and Mantosh Das. In this context, Subhash Chandra Pal, range officer of Bardhaman Forest Department, said that there was a report of smuggling of wild bulbul from 24 Parganas, Ashoknagar in a vehicle. On the basis of information, a raiding operation was conducted by the Forest Department at Mochipada Toll Plaza to catch the bird smugglers. During this time, 64 wild bulbul were recovered from a pick-up van. The same 24 Parganas were planned to transport birds to Asansol from Ashoknagar. Eastern Railway Asansol Division handed over blankets for the use of poor and needy persons. Asansol, January 11, 2021. Sri Sumit Sarkar, Divisional Railway Manager, Eastern Railway Asansol, handed over 150 numbers of blankets to Swami Mukti Pradananda, Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission Ashram Ramharipur, Bankura in an informal function held at DRM's office, Asansol today, 11 January 2021. These blankets have been given for the distribution among poor and despite through the Ramakrishna Mission. Railways are always engaged in such benevolent activities throughout the year. In the early occasions during COVID-19 lockdown period, Eastern Railway Asansol Division extended continuous help towards poor and needy persons through the distribution of food and other essential items among them. During post-Amphan period, this division rendered help among the cyclone-affected people of South 24 Pargana district of West Bengal by giving food, drinking water and other essential items through the volunteers of Bharat Scouts and Guidelines Asansol district. Shri M.K. Meena, ADRM along with Shri Kaushlendra Kumar, Senior DEN, Shri Shantanu Chakrabarti, Shri S. Biswajit and others officers of the division were present during this blanket distribution program. In the end, SMS of the moment. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein.
Everyone for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.